Hi guys, welcome to Everything Blockchain. Today we are diving into Inertia, the first and only modular lending and LRD protocol on Initia. And the best part, it's completely free to farm. The testnet just went live on March 18th, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to secure those rewards. Quick rundown on Inertia. It is an INRT protocol with two main tokens, the nINIT and the sINIT. You can use the nINIT to farm inertia and stack up rewards, and the sINIT can be used for staking as well as borrowing. Few things to keep in mind. You can earn points by farming, staking, minting, lending and borrowing. Swapped inertia does not count towards your points. Only the inertia you earn as rewards does. So what you need to do is provide liquidity to farm inertia. There's also a Galxe quest that's linked in the description for some extra incentives, who knows. Alright, so now let's get started. First things first, head over to the faucet and grab your test tokens. Make sure you connect your EVM wallet, not Kepler. Next, we're going to mint nINIT and sINIT. As you can see here, I am minting 2 of each. The amount that has been minted can be seen under my assets as well. Now for the fun part, farming rewards. We need to stake nINIT to farm inertia. The farming APR, as you can see, is about 3200%. You want more rewards? Supercharge it by adding extra inertia. And the supercharge APR, as you can see, is about 1000%. The more nINIT you stake, the higher your boost. By default, your inertia rewards are claimable in 24 hours. But if you don't want to wait, you can simply swap your Initia for inertia and supercharge instantly. That's exactly what I've done. I've swapped Initia for inertia and then used it to supercharge. Last, if you want to try lending and borrowing, you need to bridge assets from Initia, the L1, to Inertia, which is the L2. You can choose to bridge Initia, ETH, TIA, and USDC. So we can actually use the sINIT that we minted earlier as collateral and borrow against it. I've bridged 10 Initia, as you can see. Once I keyed in the figures and completed the transaction, I selected Initia under the lending tab and lent 10 of my tokens that will earn me interest. You can even borrow and loop if that's what you're into and want to farm more rewards. And that's it. Follow these steps, you'll be set to farm, stake, borrow and maximize your rewards on Inertia. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to check out the Galxe quest linked below for some extra rewards. Hit like and subscribe for more alpha, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.